this is the May Discovered Beauty Box. It is insane. Insane. Stay tuned. I've got lots to show you. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. Today's video is another unboxing, and we have this. This is the May Discovered Beauty Box. And it's really heavy. Let's get it out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. And guys, I need 53 more. We are nearly there. Just a little last push to get there now. When we do get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to link a video here. That's going to show you what's in the giveaway. The main prize is the Glossy 2021 Advent Calendar, which is fantastic. If you can share my channel with your friends and your family, hopefully they'll subscribe and we can get there quicker and get on with the giveaway. And here is the box. So let's open it on up. With Discovered Beauty, it is £25 per month. I was going to say how many products you get in the box, but you never know. One month we had one product, what was classed as one product, but it was 7 items. It was 7 lip products, which is crazy. So to be honest, I don't know how many products we get in this. 5, 6, more. Normally more. But yeah, we always get a thank you card in there, just thanking for a purchase. If you are interested in this box, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. That link will get you £3 off your first box. We have the edit card. Oh, if I can open it. It has information on all the products that are in here. And this is what it looks like. The presentation in the box is always outstanding. Everything is very well protected with these starch noodlies. The way to get rid of these noodles is to just put them in your sink, put water on them, and they dissolve, which I think is fantastic. But I'm going to bring everything up so we can have a sneak peek. This is unbelievable how many products are in here. Oh my goodness. And full sizes, I believe, as well. So yeah, unfortunately it is too late to get this box. You have to get it by the 10th of the month to actually get it. I wish I got this box before then for you, but I don't, unfortunately, as I do pay for this myself. But yeah, if you subscribe now, you will get next month's box. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. So back to the edit card. Inside it just says this edit is called the Botanicals edition. And it just says, it's time for Botanicals, DBB fam. This month we're getting inspired by all things botanical. Inside the May edit you will discover a range of beautiful products that come from botanical ingredients. Every product featured will either be made from ingredients from either plants, flowers, fruits, come from nature, or have been created from botanical inspirations. So yeah, let's get on with the first product. The first item we have is this. This is by the brand Estate Cosmetics, and it's a Mystic Forest Pigment palette. The RRP for this is £22.99. It just says, starting off this month's edit is a pigment palette with 9 rich earthy tones with velvety shimmers, powerful mattes and buttery metallics that blend like magic. It sounds like magic too. It's cruelty free and vegan. Ooh, love a palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. Oh my goodness. So we have a mirror here, which is a very good quality mirror, I must say. That is the actual palette. Now, definitely earthy tones. That is absolutely beautiful. Let me have a look there. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 mattes here and 3 that aren't. So I'm gonna definitely swatch the 3 that aren't matte. Wow, look at them, guys. I'll just do one of the mattes. Let's just do this one. That looks lovely, khaki green colour. Oh yeah, Oh my god, and they do feel very velvety, very buttery. Second product we have in the box is this. This is by the brand Cinnamon Moon, and it's English Picnic Candle. Ooh, the RRP for this is $11.99. This is cruelty-free, vegan, and 100% natural. Welcome the citrusy, sweet aroma into your home from Cinnamon Moon. With the English Picnic Fragrance Candle, each candle has been hand poured and made with a wooden wick to provide a stronger burn. Only 100% natural wax has been used and provides 15 plus hours burn time, which is great because look at the size of it. You wouldn't think you'd get 15 hours out of that. That is absolutely great. Oh, look at that. My god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, that smells like you can eat it. It smells like sweets. I can't wait to burn that. Good. Next product we have is this. So as you can quite clearly see, it isn't one product, it's three, but this is classed, ow, that stabbed me in the neck. This isn't one product, it's clearly three, but yeah, they do class this as one product, which is absolutely insane. And it just says, delight and treat your skin to daily nourishment with the recently launched skin therapy range, which is also the winner of the Marie Claire 2021 Skin Awards for Best New Skin Brand for Body. Out of this 6-piece collection, you will receive 3 products from the range. A cocoa raw blend butter made with just 3 ingredients, a shea butter body cream with added vitamin E, coconut and sunflower oils, and a shea butter body lotion with aloe vera. Both the body cream and the lotion are fast absorbent and have clinically proven to provide 24-hour moisture. Beauty tip: for an additional moisture boost, add your body cream or lotion and then apply the raw blend on top. This is vegan. Right, so which is this one? This is the body cream. This one is priced at $7.99. This is the body lotion. This is priced at $8.99. This is the raw blend, which is priced at $6.99. Guys, this is amazing. So this is one product. So is this open? If it is, we'll have a little, it certainly is. Oh, goodness. She thick. I'm just going to pop that there. Excuse all my marks that I have. I've been damaging myself at work. I am so in love with that scent. That is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Lovely jubbly. Without pumping it through there, I'm just going to open this up like here. Oh my god. Look how thick that is. Oh, that here. Oh my god, and they do absorb really quickly. That is insane. That feels really soft. Oh my goodness. Well, that does too, but wow. This one is sealed. I'm going to leave that one sealed because I think it's going to take me a while to get through these body products and I don't want anything going off. But guys, they are gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. And the smell I am getting just of putting those two on my arms, oh my god, it's filled my room with this gorgeous scent. Excited for these. Fourth product we have is this. This is by the brand Skin Research, and this is a vitamin C eye serum. Oh, I love eye serums and I love vitamin C. That's great. Whoa. The RRP for this, guys, is that right? £159.90. This is 15 ml of eye serum. It just says, get bright and radiant under eyes with this luxurious vitamin C eye serum, which also helps fight free radicals. It additionally features burdock root, which blasts nutrients and essential vitamins such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and selenium. I've said that wrong, but never mind. But yeah, this is cruelty free. £160 basically, 10 pence off. So this is what it looks like. gorgeous packaging for just 15ml of product. They've went all out on the packaging, which I kind of hope so for the price. Oh, oh no, it's too much. Oh my god, that bit's worth. I don't even want to try and calculate how much that bit's worth, but way too much. I don't think I can smell anything. I don't think. All I can smell is the body products because they're so strong and gorgeous. But that looks really nice. It sank gorgeously into the skin. It's left an amazing glow. Feels really nice and soft and silky. Wow. That's like gold. I'm scared to touch it. The fifth and final product we have is this. I'm going to butcher this straight away, so I do apologise. This is by the brand Botanic. Yeah, totally I'd butcher it, never mind. And this is a Rose Renew facial oil. The RRP for this is £26. It just says, discover a nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich, rejuvenating and renewing facial oil that is high in omegas 3, 6 and 9. Packed with ingredients such as rose absolute to hydrate the skin, clear acne, reduce signs of aging, minimise the appearance of scars, and help with conditions such as eczema and rosacea. Not forgetting the beautiful oils from green coffee beans, borage, camellia, macadamia, raspberry seed oils. These oils help to build natural collagen, promote skin elasticity and cell rejuvenation, and aim to calm and nourish the skin. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's plant-based, it's 100% naturally derived. This is what the packaging looks like. That came out. It feels nice. For a split second there, it felt a little bit thick, but as I'm massaging into the skin, it's actually sank into the skin gorgeously. Yes, it does definitely have a stench of rose, but it's a good stench if you like the smell of rose. If not, it's not going to be for you. Oh yeah, that smells so nice. Not that you can't really see there, but oh, guys, it's so good. What is going on with this box? Hi guys, this is the May Discovered Beauty Box. What do you think? Personally, this box is absolutely fan-bloody-tastic. They have managed to knock it out of the park once again. Just when you think the boxes couldn't get any better, they go and outdo themselves again and again and again. This box is fantastic. A gorgeous eye pigment palette. Some very bloody expensive, like mega expensive vitamin C eye serum, which just, it's amazing. The little candle that burns for 15 hours, smells gorgeous. Some really nice facial oil. 3 body products. Yeah, money well spent. I love this box. This is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. You can't get this one, unfortunately. It has already sold. You have to get this before the 10th of every month. So if you subscribe now, it'll be for next month's box. I obviously don't know what's in next month's box until I get it. I wish I could get this box early so I could show you guys so you had a chance to get it, but unfortunately not. But yeah, again, if you want to subscribe, the link is down below in the information box. I'll also put it in the comment box. It gets you £3 off your box, making it £25 to £22. I can't think there, oh my god. Take 3 off 25. I'm not that dumb, am I? But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.